Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you something a bit different. A street version of the BMW E46. This kit is originally a race car, but I decided to turn into a clean street build. It is a custom build for a friend of mine. The focus here was on the paint and that glossy factory-like finish. I remove the race element and keep things simple to make it look like a proper road car. After I glue all the parts, I'm using Mr. Hobby black surface primers and dark primer from Gravity Paints and Mr. Color leveling thinner to dilute the primer. And after 24 hours I spray the paint. The paint is Tamiya LP Champagne Gold. I think that it's like it's pronounced. I really like how this kit turned out. Simple, clean, and I think it's very close to a real E46 you see on the street. For the rims, I'm using a silver paint on also a black primer. It's Mr. Hobby black primer. The headlights are fitting well, and also the black hood, it was a request for my friend. I don't like it, but it was his choice. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and you also find me on Patreon. This post it's free and you can see more pictures there. Also, you can find me on Facebook. Please visit the small scale fun page. Also, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.